Hello? Yeah. President Julius Madabio. How you dey do me, brother? How everything? How the family? How Fatima they do? Everybody okay? Tell God thank you. Who say food the man is small? We tell God thank you. Yeah, now this COVID-19 no more the money winner, But we tell God thank you. Every day we dey say praises and thanks to God. Exactly. Yes, my brother. We shall call you at this time of the night. I just don't come work. I don't take my shower. I want to go sleep. That's waiting. I need for call you because me know so they sleep quick. You know. Yes, I'm just saying they sleep quick. Yeah. So, but anyway, my brother and my President Julius Madabio. Wait see I call you this hour of the night because I get something I want to discuss with you. We very important. You know, say me anytime I call you the hour, yeah. Now something we very important. Exactly. Yeah. Now something that go on right now. I just want to get answer from you. This gentleman, Adebayo. Yes, Adebayo with the Holland. Yes. People then they look for him. Group of boys then they look for him. I just want to know if now you send people them for make them look for them. And the reason behind it. Now that make I call you. I know Sabi Adebayo in person. Now just in videos them at the see. But I know Sabi am. I know one day see him. I know Sabi am in person. But I don't watch numerous of him videos them. Okay. My question here is, now you send people them for me to look for Adebayo? Because, I just want to know if now you send them for make they look for him. Because then they look for this guy, then they look for Adebayo. And Adebayo, now people begin. And that part of the world that you can find with safe, me brother. Everybody get freedom of speech. So if Adebayo, if they make in videos them or audios them, now he writes for one. And he is a born Sierra Leonean, a citizen of that country. In the Holland, what we did in that part of the world there, we get freedom of speech. So I don't feel say people there for they go, they look for her. Now people pick what's in they look for her for? They want wounded, they want beaten, they want killer or waiting. So my question is, you send anybody for me to look for Adebayo, sir? Bingo. Good deal. I tell you thank you. May God bless you. I be not say you not send nobody for me to look for Adebayo. I'm not say you not go do that. Because you're not somebody where you head them at your shoulder, you know exactly what to do. And when for react. And how for react. I been just want to get confirmation for make I know if now you send then guide ya. I don't get the answer for me already, my brother. Me no say no to you send them. I no say no to you send them. And then they look for this boy. Then they look for Adebayo. People begin and they look for him. Me, if they see this guy, what's it they want to do? Now me question that one. They want beat him. They want wound him. They want kill him. Now people begin. He get freedom of speech. Thank you, sir. Exactly. Thank you, my brother. Thank you. May God bless you. Thank you. Thank you so. Thank you, my brother. May God bless you. I've been just confused. Because I was like, really? No. I don't think so. Wetin I get for do? I get for call with president. Make I ask him if na in send people there for me they look for Adebayo. But now that when you don't tell me, say no, so you send people them. You not send nobody. As a matter of fact, you not even know the one way they went look for Adebayo. I'm happy. Because na people pikin, na people man, na people brother, na people cousin. Then they look for them. What thing they want to do to them? That's my question. But when you don't tell me, say no, so you send them. You not send nobody. You not even know what thing they go on. Then now I am happy. Because I can tell you one thing, my brother. Everybody get freedom of speech. I don't know for salon. Because like me, I don't come on salon for over how many years. Past they go vacation, they go work. But then part of the world, then yeah, America, Europe, also find we safe. We get freedom of speech. Anybody can come out and talk anything we want for talk. Look Donald Trump. Not so we all want to move. So we all with the Tinapu talk anything we want for talk. Nobody know they go now we host then they look for we, they went search for they look for we. So me no know why make then they look for Adebayo. Then they search for the boy like for say he kill mortal man. So maybe just want for know if now you send thugs them for me they go look for people picking. Now then they no more people want for no me brother. But as you don't tell me so not to you not even get a clue. Say then they look for Adebayo. You not send nobody. I am happy. And I can tell you one thing, my brother, not so because you didn't have the phone. I talk and hear you back. I said, trust me. I can bite me nose when I want grain again, me nose. I can pull a lay down for say President Julius Maada Bio, me on border, the son of the soil, and not send nobody for me to go look for that poor boy. I talk and bear you back. I don't vow for you bear you back. Say you not send nobody. So then why I saw where they look for this boy. If the hot people picking, my brother, they go get for answer to the government. And after that, they go meet you in a saloon. They go meet you in a saloon. Because they can't scare, so they can't see them already in harassment. If something will happen to that boy just know, the one who they look for them, the head no go come out too. The head no go come out, I like the unclean. But the head no go come out for the mere father when they go and look for that boy. Now people be kid. What's he do? He get freedom of speech. Thank you, my brother. President Julius Maada Bio, take it. You not only get book sense, but you get common sense. You not only get book sense for President Julius Maada Bio, but you get common sense. May God bless you. May God bless you, Fatima. May God bless your household. May God bless you, kingdom. May you live long to enjoy the fruits of your labor. Thank you. Now that's maybe just one for no. But now when you don't tell me, say no to you, send them. I am happy. I don't know now, say you are not daddy. Maybe don't talk and say you are not daddy. You not go send anybody for make them go harass people picking me and go look for them. I talk today. Why didn't I job? I said President Julius Maada Bio, and no good one, not send nobody for go look for Adebayo. I said, but you know what's in? I don't forget them from the horse's mouth. So now that's why I don't get them from you. I am fine. Okay, my brother. Thank you so much. I appreciate you, sir. I salute you, sir. May God bless you. May God bless you. Thank you. May then they go look for people picking. Now they know what's in they look for her for. Exactly. Exactly. Thank you, sir. Thank you so much, my brother. Okay. We'll talk later. Yeah? I will call you over the weekend. Okay, my president. Thank you, sir. Thank you so much. May regards to Fatima and everybody. Okay, sir. Bye-bye.